gentlemen, Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to Tenerife, where the local time is 7:10. That's the same time as the UK. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop, and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged, fall out, and cause injury. We would like to remind you that you're not allowed to smoke or vape on your way to or inside the terminal building. You must wait until you have left the terminal and you'll find a designated smoking area after the arrivals hall. On behalf of your captain, first officer and especially your onboard cabin crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Ryanair today. However, before you do leave the aircraft, please double check the area around you to ensure that you have all belongings with you. If you do still have some rubbish left over, then please leave it on the aisle seat, that's the end seat, to be collected later. Or alternatively, you can bring it with you and we will have bin bags at the front and rear of the cabin. The next time that you wish to fly with us, you'll find new routes, car hire, hotel accommodation and much more available to you both on the Ryanair app or also on Ryanair.com. However, once again, on behalf of all your cabin crew on board today, thank you for choosing to fly with Ryanair. We wish you a lovely holiday in Tenerife.